The pull-up is one of the best exercises you can do. It's functional and involves a lot of muscles. A pull-up works most of the pulling muscles in your body, like your biceps, back, and forearms, and is one of the best compound exercises you can do. It is also great if you're hanging off a cliff. To get the most out of your pull-ups, you should follow these progressions. The first progression is Australian pull-ups or body rows. Body rows incorporate the same muscles as the pull-up, but changes the angle and difficulty. When doing these, extend your legs straight out, and from here you will do the same pulling motion as a pull-up. Maintain a straight back, clench your butt, keep your abs tight, and body as straight as you can the whole time. The difficulty of the body rows will depend on the angle. The higher upright you are, the easier it is. The lower upright you are, the harder it gets. As you get stronger, you can start to lower yourself. Now, depending on the difficulty, you want to aim for 3 sets of 6 to 10. The second progression is assisted pull-ups with a band. You step both feet in and then fully extend the legs. Here you will pull up until your chin goes over the bar and then back down. Different bands are for different classes and skill level. Choose a band that will be able to hold you comfortably so you can perform the full range of motion. The next step is negative pull-ups. Grab a box, stand on it, and pull yourself up. You then want to try and lower yourself as slowly as you can. This helps work the portion of the pull-up that gives you the most difficulty through the easier negatives. This helps increase upper body strength and grip strength, enabling you to perform more pull-ups. A pull-up isn't just about bending your arms. First of all, you have to pull your shoulder blades back down to get that necessary tension in your back. You want to try and squeeze your shoulder blades together. You want to avoid a round shoulder because you don't target all the muscle groups in your back. Scapula Shrugs will help you keep your back not rounded. As you start to get stronger, you can start to use lighter and lighter bands that give you the least help as possible. Congratulations, now that you've gone through all the progressions, you should be able to do your first pull-up. If you enjoyed this video, please share, leave a like, and subscribe for more tips, exercises, and how-tos.